Some of you are asking me to put some polish on the beard. I'm not putting polish on the beard, just like I'm not putting plugs in my bald head. I'm all natural. Hello, Gora. Woo. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, 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 yeah.
Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Wow. Up to apply right in your hands and right on the body.
All right, so every now and again, guys, I let the stubble grow out a couple of days too long. And then I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, really, really miss my beard. I only grew my beard for 50 days. One time in my life, but I really enjoyed it. I know summer is a tough time to grow a beard, but I just made step one, or took step one in keeping this and growing it as a proper beard. Should I shave or should I grow? By going about 2 fingers up from the Adam's apple and starting the beard line with the one blade. I used One Blade Pro to just start that line. Now the reason you leave this growth under here, if you want a full beard, is to give it that foundation. To give the beard the foundation to actually grow longer hair. I might have even cut it too short. I saw somewhere, I was reading somewhere, that if you really want to grow a voluminous beard, you don't touch the beard for months. You just let it grow natural, even down on your neck, which is probably the way to go. But I don't know if I'm ready to grow the beard out, but this winter or beginning in fall, I will start growing the beard. And I just lined it up so I could jump into the shower, use my Mr. 1920 body beautiful soap, and then come out and do a quick cleanup. And that's probably what I'm going to do. Talking about Mr. 1920, this is the Wild Citrus Body Bar. It's been a revelation. Cold pressed, handmade soap. This is the Wild Citrus soap bar. Nice block of soap here. As you can see, I've been using it for a little over a week, maybe a week and a half. And I'll tell you, it's just wonderful, guys. It's an understated scent. Now the name Wild Citrus makes you think like this explosion of lemony goodness, but this has a muted, outdoorsy, sort of a pine citrus smell to it. Very muted. So if you don't like a lot of fragrance in your soaps, this might be one that you would want to pick up. I'll leave a link in the description box so you can check it out. Let them know The Average Guy sent you. I'll be using this in the shower. I'll jump out and I'll do a quick cleanup. Again, I've made that line or defined that line, and I'll just use my favorite razor lately and just do a cleanup. So that'll be next.
Should I shave or should I grow?
Okay, so I'm right out of the shower and I'm gonna use a little bit of Barbasol, makes a unscented foam. I'll use a little bit of that. So going with more of the muted fragrances today. Again, that 1920, Mr. 1920 Wild Citrus soap with a very muted, outdoorsy smell. I'm just out of the shower, so I don't need to steam up. The pores are open, I'm ready to go. And I'm gonna use, I've been dreaming about this. I'm gonna use my Shave Logic S5 to do the cleanup. And going to start by shaving right at that line. So I'm cleaning up behind one blade. Just to make that really fresh baby's bottom manicured look while I figure out what I'm doing. Trying to go ambidextrous with the left hand. And this is the perfect razor to do so because no nicks, no tugs, no pulls, no fear. Magnetic contact. 5 blades, super tightly packed. Organic pivot to this head, just perfect. Let's add just a little bit more of this Barbasol. A little near hot water. And we'll go with a final against the grain pass. Oh yeah, nice. And again, no scent. I'm gonna be running around outdoors. Don't really wanna be attracting insects or having a scent that's gonna conflict with, you know, the natural body scent. Oh, that's nice. Again, I'm just taking it up to that line. Beautiful. ShaveLogic S5, the best cartridge razor on the planet, in my opinion. Now, before I go, to stop beard itch, guys, you're gonna wanna find a nice beard wash. And Cremo makes this astonishingly superior beard wash that has a thickening agent in it. So for those of us who might be dealing with some patchy, thin, or just if you're starting your beard and you want to get a jump on it, this will give it a nice thick appearance. I'll put a little warm water on and just a little bit of this liquid. You want to keep your beard at any length, guys. You want to keep it nice and clean. And this has a nice, I want to say it's a eucalyptus smell to it, but very mild. Again, the theme today is mild fragrance. Ah, yeah. Feels good, guys. And I'll just rinse it out. I'll make sure I get all that wash out. Typically, I do this in the shower, so you make sure you get it all out, but there you go, guys. A nice start to a full beard. Again, you know, experts will tell you, many of them, just let it all grow. But, you know, we have to see people, right? Most of us. So you want to make sure you look somewhat presentable. Should I shave or should I grow? No aftershave today, since I just whispered across the neck there. And because the S5 from ShaveLogic is just so smooth. And again, I don't want to put any elaborate fragrance on today, since I'm going au natural. But as always, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Let me know, should I grow the beard now? Should I let it grow? Should we do the journey of my beard? Or should I shave it off and wait for fall? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I've got some cool stuff coming this week. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play, guys. Should I shave or should I grow? Now roll the music.